Start with the name of the God. Hello everyone, hope everyone is fine. Today is Thursday. After a long time, just make the video. So today my topic is why the mostly broker they cannot earn the money and didn't close the deal in monthly basis. Like some close one deal and some they close two deals because they make their mind. First of all, what they did, they make their mind, okay, if I earn 4,000, so 2,000 coming to my pocket, that is fine. Some, okay, like make it 4,000, so 4,000 coming to my pocket, that is fine. The reason why they cheating earn more money, first of all, the living standard. They live in the place, they have bed space 500 or 1,000 dirham. So around surrounding the people living there, so they have salary 2,000 or 3,000. So once they meet with them and they earn 4,000, oh my God, you have 3,000 salary, I earn 4,000. Okay, that is fine. So they work only 3-4 days or 1 week and earn that money, and then after 25 days they are chilling. So guys, we are not coming here to chill. We are here to work and earn money, a lot of money. There are a lot of transactions. Some people they earn million, some they earn 100k, some they earn 50,000, some they earn 15,000. So it's up to you how much money you want to earn. So please, if you want to work in real estate, make your mind minimum 50,000, and this is easy. So please don't waste your time, don't waste company time, don't waste the time for other also. The time is there, earn money and make your life higher, luxury for that one. You don't want to sit in this type of car. You don't want your own home in Dubai. You don't want your own space there, own living like high top. You don't want to be a manager in the company. If you want, then work hard, work 24/7. If you work 24/7, believe me, you are the winner. No one can beat you. Thank you very much.